All right, quick update since somebody asked, what are you going to be doing with the floor? So this is what I did after last night's video. I got this much done, and the pattern on the floor is about 5 different wood patterns. You just got to mix it up. Probably the easiest floor I've ever put down in my life, and I've put down maybe 10 different kinds of flooring in the past 2 years, like a full house. Me and like one other guy, sometimes me by myself. I even did some subcontracting work for other flooring companies, like on the side besides my day job. And this is easily the most comfortable to walk on and the easiest to snap together. You don't even have to hit it. It just locks into place. And this is the brand if you want to see it. It's at Lowe's, and it's $1.99 a square foot, which is really a good price compared to some other companies out there. But it's got a great cushion on it too. So I'll show you the rest of it when it's all done. Like I said, that's basically a 24-hour recap. That's the old ugly floor, which I actually kind of like, but it's kind of sticky. The polyurethane is still, even though it's fully cured, for some reason it's like stuff sticks to it. And there's also, like, can't really tell, but there's like paint on the floor from when I painted. Like, even though I covered the floor, it's like stuck to it somehow. It's like crazy. But pulled the trim last night over there, pulled all the nails out. You have to cut, when it's old paint, you have to cut with a razor knife along the edge so you don't rip up the wall. You can see it right there. I didn't cut that piece, so it hit the wall, so I gotta mud that later. But this is just a random sitting here. My spiked Warhawk. Actually, Warhammer, not a Tomahawk. Like cold steel. They don't even make these anymore. Maybe they do. I don't like this one. Torch the handle, leather guard. I had to buy this separate. This piece, I have another handle for it that I bought separate. Anyways, so yeah, came up pretty decent, but that was only 8 boxes, I think, did all that. 8 boxes of flooring at $45 a box, and it took me 3 hours, so not too bad. Do an update in probably another 24 hours, let you guys see the rest of the floor when it's done. Hopefully I'll get to do the other half tonight. We'll see how it goes. Take care.